Now in this video we are going to construct the pair of tangents to the circle from a point outside the circle. Now see, draw a circle of radius 6 cm and from a point 10 cm away from the center, construct the pair of tangents. For this, first of all, we have to construct a circle of radius 6 cm. So use compass with center O and radius 6 cm. We have to draw a circle. So put the needle of the compass at O and draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Now mark a point P at a distance 10 cm from the center O. So see, we have marked a point P and OP is 10 cm. With this point P, we have to draw tangents to the circle. From an external point, we can draw two tangents. For this, draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment passes through the midpoint of the line segment and intersects the line segment at 90 degrees. So with O and P as centers and any convenient radius which is more than half of OP, draw arcs above the line. And with P and O as center, we have to draw an arc below the line. Arc crosses at point A and B. Join AB. AB is the perpendicular bisector of line segment OP. See, AB crosses OP at some point. That point is the midpoint of line segment OP. Name it as M. So M is the midpoint. Now take M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle. Now we can see this circle passes through O as well as P. And it intersects the previous circles at 2 points. Name them. So first point, name them Q, and second point, name it as R. Now join PQ. PQ is the tangent. Join P. P is the external point which is 10 cm from the center O. From P, join PQ. PQ is a tangent. Similarly, join PR. PR is also a tangent. So two tangents we have drawn, PQ and PR. Only two tangents we can draw from a point external to the circle. Now measure the tangents PQ and PR. We see length of the tangents PQ and PR is 8 cm. We have constructed this circle, and from an external point P, we have constructed a pair of tangents PQ and PR to this circle. PQ and PR are pair of tangents constructed from an external point P of this circle. So PR and PQ are tangents to this circle. Now we see how PR and PQ are tangents to this circle. Now join OR. Join OR. We see this blue circle. M is the center of the circle and MO is the radius of the circle, and this circle passes through P, so OP is the diameter of this circle. Now ORP is the semicircle of this blue circle. ORP is the semicircle, and this angle ORP is the angle in the semicircle, and we know the angle in the semicircle is a right angle, so ORP is a right angle. OR is the radius of this circle, which is 6 cm in this case, and OR is the radius, and PR is a line, and OR is perpendicular to PR. So PR is the tangent. As we know, the radius of the circle is perpendicular to the tangent to the point of contact. The tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. So PR is the tangent. Now we see in the triangle ORP, PR is the tangent, OR is the radius of the circle, which is 6 centimeter. Angle R is 90 degree. OP, the distance of OP is 10 centimeter in this case because P is an external point. And from center O, the distance of P is 10 centimeter. So in this right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal sum of the squares of the other two sides. So OP square equal OR square plus PR square. So in this case, we know OP, we know OR, so we can calculate PR. So see, OP square equal OR square plus PR square. OP square is 10 square, OP is 10, OR is 6, and PR we don't know. So 100 equals 6 is square equal 36 plus PR square. Now 100 minus 36 transpose 36 to left hand side equal PR square. So 64 equal PR square. So PR equal 8. So the length of the tangent PR is 8 centimeter. Similarly, so here we have calculated that it is 8 centimeter. Similarly, we can calculate PQ by joining OQ, and OQP is 90 degree because this is also angle in a semicircle is a right angle, and we see PQ is also 8 centimeter. A pair of tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external points. A pair of tangents can be drawn from an external point outside the circle, and these two tangents are equal. In this case, PQ and PR are tangents, and which is equal to 8 centimeter.